Welcome to the latest video on this series, and right now I'm looking at this. I'm inside this trade on GBP. The last video I was inside this trade on GBPJPY. My network is kind of slow, so I was inside this trade on GBPJPY. Entered around here, and as you can see, the market came, stopped me by just, I don't know, this is not even up to 1 pip. Stopped me by just 1 pip, and gave me a displacement and gave me an entry. I took this trade without an entry confirmation, because sometimes the market will not give you an entry. So this was the previous resistance, so I just put my entry on top of this here, and my stop was here. And as you can see, the market came, stopped me out by 1 pip, and but I got this second entry right after the market stopped me out. So I'm currently inside this trade, and the whole idea behind this trade is just for the market to come and close this gap. So I'll be taking profit around this area. So that's a trade I'm on GBPJPY. And Bitcoin. So the reason why I entered that trade without confirmation, now this Bitcoin, I didn't enter aggressively. I was waiting for confirmation for me to enter. And the market came, still the same setup, came into this previous resistance area, and gave me an imbalance, but didn't tap me. Like, it did not come into the entry. So that is this trade is currently playing out, and I'm not inside because the market did not come and tap inside. If the like this displacement and this imbalance, this is the confirmation and entry. We're having a reaction from here. We have a displacement and imbalance, so this is the entry, but the market did not give me an entry on BTC. So I'm currently now inside this trade, but I still have the sell limit on. I don't know, the market can come back tap me in, but at this point we already halfway already. I don't think if the market should tap me in, I don't think that's a good idea. So oh my god, so that's a trade that I missed out, and it's really painful because that was a good setup. So on the US oil, this is the area where I'm looking for price to come into. So if price did not get here, I'm not going to be doing anything. This is how the place looks on the 4-hour time frame. Here I'm looking for price to come here, so what I can short from here, I can have a displacement confirmation entry on here. So right now I am in this trade, and on my new account I've taken like a 1% loss already because of this loss right here. This, see, like, it's even funny, it's not even up to 1 pip. Stop me out, and it's really crazy now. So I've taken a 1% loss on the account, but my risk to reward ratio is very high, so that's not a problem. I just need to win the next trade and I'm good. Even if I don't win the next trade, I'm win. See what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for like a 14, almost a 15 hour, and I don't even need all this hour to pass the account because I always risk 1%. So what I need right now is just a 1 to 9. So when we get here, I'm gonna be passing the account when we get here, and this is where I'm like, I want to come all the way here and close. So yeah, that's it. But on gold, I don't have a setup on gold right now. The gold was down yesterday like about 5%, and ideally whenever this in the market is down heavily like that, the next day buying is the best deal. But right now I'm not seeing any buy setup. I can't lie, I'm not seeing any buy setup. Maybe, yeah, I'm not seeing any buy setup for real, but we still have this imbalance here. So maybe we'll get down to this place before we start buying. I don't know, but I'm not really seeing any buy setup, so I'm going to be staying out. So I'm currently in this trade on GBPJPY, and Bitcoin did not tap me in, and as you can see, it's down 2% already. Imagine, like, this is 1 to 8 points, like almost 1 to 9 hour, and we are we are almost 1 to 5 hour already and I wasn't tapping. So I don't know if we should close below here. I don't think, but I still have this place open though. So let's see how that trade is going to. Maybe we are going to get back to come and tap me. I don't know, but that's it for today. And that's what I'm currently doing on the market. See you guys on the next video. And like always, if this video is helpful to you, share it to someone and subscribe so that we can grow together. We are all learning together, and this is my personal diary on how I trade the financial market. Thank you for tuning in, and so I see you on the next video. Peace out.